guys, what's up? What's happening? So the lockdown period has made me a little more chatty and I wanted to do a chatty video because there's no human interaction and it's just the camera and me sitting in this heat to record a video. And you know, I'm just on my phone all the time looking at videos, stuff like that. So I came across a video by Nikki Tutorials, my makeup then versus now, and it's such an interesting idea because हम सब कितने evolve हो जाते हैं अपनी चीज़ों को लेके, beat makeup, skin care, the clothes we wear, everything. Like मैं अपनी पुरानी photos को देखती हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं ये क्यों पहनती थी और मैं ये कैसे पहन लेती थी. So you know, things like that. So I thought it's a great idea and मैंने एक ही makeup look अपना किया हुआ है when I used to work with Popex. So I showed my makeup routine and I was just watching that video and I was like shit, मैं वो करती थी. And I know because मैं अपनी videos जब भी देखती हूँ ना, पुरानी videos, मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार मैं क्या करके बैठी थी. Like कैसा सा मेकअप था, कैसा से हंसी, मतलब कुछ भी अजीब सा था यार. And obviously I have evolved from that stage and I have a different routine now, so I thought I can show that to you. And obviously this video is inspired from her, just in case you all haters are going to comment, oh my god, this video is copied from this copy. So guys, मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही बता दिया, but ये भी तो देखो कि तुम्हें मैं difference दिखा रही हूँ कि अब मैं क्या use करती हूँ exactly और मैं पहले क्या use करती थी. So this is all about the video today. It's a makeup challenge and let's get started. Okay, which side to choose for what face? Okay, which side should I choose for what side? What face? Oh my god, I am a confusing soul. I'm gonna choose this side of my face as now and this side of my face as then. So this is my right and this is my left. इससे पहले कि मैं तुम्हें भी confuse करूँ, I think we should just start now versus then. Alright, so I'm gonna moisturize both the sides of my face because the step is still the same. There's no specific primer. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Base Magique primer. This is the primer which I used to use earlier as well, so there's no change as such. Fun fact, I never used to use makeup. Like in college I never used to use makeup because my sister never used makeup, so I never learned it. And उन्होंने भी मेरा makeup किया था. They used to make me look so weird that I never applied makeup. And when I joined Popex, so they started putting makeup on me. The makeup artist did a great job and I was so fascinated कि यार ये चीज़ें भी होती है लाइफ में, मैंने तो कभी खरीदा भी नहीं ये वो. तो obviously you know, उन्होंने थोड़ा सा basic makeup तो मुझे सीखना ही पड़ा because हमें videos बनानी पड़ती थी और every day the makeup artist was not available. जो मैं पहले करती थी ना वो थोड़ा सा funny था. What I was gonna do then, earlier I used to just apply a concealer and BB cream. I did not understand the concept of a corrector. Yeah. So अब मेरे पास वो same products तो नहीं है, so I'm just gonna use the new products which I have with me and I'm just gonna apply a concealer. In my video I had like this concealer brush that time and I said that I can use my fingers if I don't have a brush, so I'm gonna use my fingers, which is damn weird. And then I used a BB cream. I remember I used to use that Pond's BB cream जो एक ही shade में आता था. मेरे को shades के कुछ लेना देना नहीं था, मैं सिर्फ वही लगा के घूमती थी. But now I have another BB cream with me. Now this is also not my shade, so yeah, it kind of proves my point that मैं पहले अपने shade का use नहीं करती थी. Luckily, you know what, I have the same brush which I used to use earlier, so I still have it and I'm gonna use this brush and put my BB cream. Oh my god, this is so not my shade. Light up my van, shiny van, we just get on. इतना था मैंने सब लगा लिया, फिर भी you know I can still see these dark circles and everything. So I like how I have mentioned there that you know I like to go for a full coverage base. Like ना मैंने foundation use किया, ना मैंने corrector use किया, ना मैंने कुछ use किया, and then I'm like I like to go for a full coverage base. Wow guys, ठीक है यार, it's not bad for an everyday thing. I shouldn't diss myself, okay? I did learn something and I think it was great because I was a newbie. Okay, now on this side I start with the corrector. This is the LA Girl corrector. I make my girl
light up, sketch.
Then I take the concealer.
Light up my bar.
Okay, so you know, it's okay even if it's not blended properly. I just take my foundation then and blend it all together.
I like your Skechers, you like me, my Gucci shoes. I'll buy you the best.
Okay, so there's a huge difference altogether, I feel. Compact powder has just broken, so I'm just gonna take some of it here and brush it. And in this case, what I do is I generally take it अपने makeup sponge में and dab it onto my skin. I feel it just packs my makeup properly and, you know, just saves me from all the sweat and everything. Next up, blush and contouring. Earlier I used to just put blush, like lots of it, and I did not really do contouring. So and contouring, I don't know, like I really don't know. So I'm just gonna take the contouring powder, dab some of it. Alrighty, my brows. I'm just gonna use the Benefit brow powder, and I used to like just paint it, and I'm sure like if you guys have been following me since long, a lot of people have also commented यार cherry तुम्हारी brows ऐसे thick से क्यों है? तो पहले करती थी, blend ज़्यादा करती नहीं थी, तो that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, this side is slightly more darker and a lot more fuller, and this side is blended and exactly what my brows are. Itna hi kiya hai. Alright, so next step is to use eyeshadow. I remember I used to use like just brown eyeshadow. तो मैं brown eyeshadow थोड़ा सा गंदा हो रहा है, but मैं brown eyeshadow लूँगी and I'm just gonna like okay, this side now is slightly more experimental. Like recently मुझे different eyeshadows और ये सब लगाने का शौक चढ़ गया है, तो you know sometimes I try and do like just pink eyes or like blue eyes. कुछ चीज़ों के लिए ना लोग बदलते नहीं है. मुझे अभी तक लाइनर सही से लगाना नहीं आया. पहले तो बहुत ही फनी लगाती थी, यहाँ तक ही लगाती थी. Like I never used to go till here. I just used to put it till here. पता नहीं किस बात का डर था. एटलीस्ट अब मैं पूरा तो लगाती हूँ. The next step is to put a kajal. I never used to put kajal before because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे आँखें काली लगती है मैं काजल लगाती हूँ, तो मैं काजल नहीं लगाती थी. ओके, मेरा काजल ख़त्म हो गया गाइस, तो मैं ये दूसरा काजल ढूंढ के लाई हूँ यूज़ करने के लिए. Where is it from? Nykaa. Prove it. You're a good product. Mascara. There's a friend of mine whose surname is Mascara. Okay, earlier I never used to put mascara, like not all the time, so I'm gonna skip it there and put it only here. The real game is lipstick now. I used to put a lot of red lipstick earlier, like red was my thing. And now I'm more into nudes and pinks. I generally avoid putting red lipstick because I feel it's a little too much, so I don't really put a lot. This is my recent favorite shade and I showed it on my last video as well. It's called No Lies. It's from L'Oreal. I've been putting this every day for all my shoots, so पहले मैं ऐसे हुआ करती थी और अब मैं ऐसा हुआ करती हूँ. Okay, so I feel my lips have become more subtle, my eyes have gone more dramatic, definitely eyebrows have gone better, and also my base.
Sign, promise you it'll all be fine. I just wanna make you mine. Hop inside the ride.
I can do a lot more makeup videos if you want, easy ones. And if you want me to do it, comment down below the maximum number of votes or the comments. Whatever it is, I'm gonna do it for you. And I really hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, press the bell notification button so that every time I come online you get a notification, and subscribe to my channel, comment down below, which I think I have said everything. So bye.